Good morning, everybody. Welcome to online class from South Point English Boarding School. I am Suresh Shah. I am going to teach optional mathematics of some question of arithmetic ratio of class 9. Question class 9. First question number 1 is if sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 1, then prove that sin theta plus cos theta is equal to plus minus 1. Here sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 1 is given. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides is sin theta minus cos theta whole square 1 square a minus b whole square is a square minus 2 sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, or sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta or 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 1 is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Value of 1 or sin square theta plus cos square theta, formula of this is 1. So we can write 1 is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta, or 1 is equal to, this is changed to other side, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta, or 1 is equal to sin theta plus cos theta whole square, or sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root plus minus root 1, or sin theta plus cos theta is equal to plus minus 1. Now next question. Next question is if m is equal to sin theta plus sin theta and n is equal to sin theta minus sin theta, then prove that m square minus n square is equal to 4 root m. Here m is equal to tan theta plus sin theta and n is equal to tan theta minus sin theta, and LHS is m square minus n square. Here m is equal to tan theta plus sin theta and is equal to tan theta minus sin theta, and in LHS is m square minus n square. Value of m is tan theta plus sin theta, so this is tan theta plus sin theta whole square, and n is tan theta minus sin theta whole square. So this is a plus b whole square, a square square theta plus 2 tan theta sin theta plus sin square theta, and this is a minus b whole square, a square tan square theta minus 2 tan theta sin theta plus sin square theta, and this is tan square theta 2 tan theta into sin theta plus sin square theta minus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta into sin theta minus sin square theta. Sin square cancel, tan square cancel. This is 4 tan theta into sin theta. Now RHS, in RHS 4 m n root. So this is 4, value of m is sin theta plus sin theta, and n is sin theta minus sin theta. So this is 4 a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, sin square theta minus sin square theta. So this is sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta, or for this 4 root sin square theta. Sin square theta is common, so sin square theta is common. Remaining is 1 by cos square theta minus 1. So this is sin square theta. 1 by cos square is sec square theta minus 1. So this is sin square theta. Sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. So this is 4 sin theta into tan theta. LHS and RHS both are same, therefore m square minus n square is equal to 4 root m. Now next question. Next question is if sec theta is equal to n plus 1 by 4n, then show that tan theta plus sec theta is equal to 2n. For this, sec theta is equal to n plus 1 by 4n. Here sec theta is equal to 4n square plus 1. So in trigonometric ratio, sec theta, formula of sec theta is h by b. This means h is equal to 4n square plus 1 and b is equal to 4n. So p is equal to root h square minus b square. H is 4n square plus 1 and b is 4n square. Now formula of a plus b whole square, 4n square 16n 4 plus 4 to the 8n square plus 1 minus 16n square. So this is 16n 4 and 8n square minus 16n square is minus 8n square plus 1. So this is 4n square minus 1 whole square, and this is 4n minus 1. P is equal to this. Now LHS, in LHS is equal to sin theta plus sec theta. This is P by B and this is H by B. So P is 4n minus 4n square minus 1 by B is 4n and H is 4n square plus 1 and B is 4n. Now LCM is 4n. So this is 4n square minus 1 plus 4n square plus 1 is cancelled. 4n square 8n square by 4n. So cancel and go to the, this is 2n equal to RHS true. Now, next question. Next question is if sec theta plus tan theta is equal to x, then so that sin theta is equal to x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. Here sec theta plus tan theta is equal to x. Solution: sec theta plus tan theta is equal to x, or sec theta is equal to x minus tan theta, squaring on both sides. Sec square theta is equal to x square minus 2x tan theta plus tan square theta. Now change sec square in tan form. So this is 1 plus tan square theta. This is x square minus 2x tan theta plus tan square theta. Tan square cancel. So this is 2x tan theta is equal to x square minus 1, or tan theta is equal to x square minus 1 by 2x. So tan theta in trigonometric ratio, tan theta is p by b. X is equal to p square plus b square. So this is p is x square minus 1 and b is 2x square. So this is x4 minus 2x square plus 1, and this is 4x square. So this is x4 plus 2x square plus 1. This is equal to x square plus 1 whole square. This is equal to x square plus 1. X is equal to x square plus 1. Now sin theta is equal to p by x. LHS is equal to sin theta is equal to p by x. P is equal to x square minus 1, and b is equal to x is equal to x square plus 1. Therefore sin theta is equal to x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. Now next day I'll teach you some question or of class 9 next day. Thank you.